Code overview, string manipulation, and box drawing. The presentation explore to core function capitalized for string formatting and drawbacks for console output will into their purpose, mechanics, and overall utility. The capitalized function purpose transform a string by capitalizing its first letter and converting the rest to lowercase. Output returns the modified string with proper capitalization. Input accept a single string. How capitalize works? Number 1. Empty string check. First, it verifies in the input string is empty. If so, it returns an empty string. Number 2, create copy. A copy of the input string name result is created for modification. Number 3, capitalize first. The first character of result is converted to uppercase using buffer. Number 4, lower case remaining. A loop converts all subsequent characters in result to lowercase using toloin. Number 5, return modified string. The function concludes by returning the fully modified result string. The drawbacks function. The function takes the strings title, rank, suit, and renders a box-like structure in the console. It utilizes an external color function, not detailed here, to enhance the output with color, creating visually distinct box. Number 4, constructing the box borders. Top border, constructed with add corners and characters in between, colored cyan. Bottom border, identical to the top border, ensuring symmetry and visual completion. The string 29 dynamically creates a line of 29 hyphens defining the box with. Number 5, contracting box middle lines. Title line displays the title string padded with spaces colored white. Rank line presents the rank string left aligned within the box colored white. Suit line shows the suit string also left aligned and colored white. Each line start and end with a character forming the content neatly within the box. 6. Dynamic spacing in drawbacks. The function calculates the necessarily padding to left align the text with the box. For example, string 29 title length generates pieces to fill the remaining with 29 minutes the title's length. Final output sequence. Front top border. The cyan color top border is front first. Second, front middle lines. The 3 white colored content lines. Little rank should follow it on a new line. And third, front bottom border. Finally, the cyan colored bottom border completes the box structures. The count statement ensures its component is displayed sequentially, forming the complete box. Summary string and display utilities. String capitalization. The capitalized function offers robust string formatting. Grabe po na si Kati. Enhanced presentation together they contribute to clearer data representation and user interaction. Formatted output. The drawbacks function provides instructor console display. Code usability. Both function exemplify modular and usable code practices. And that's all. Thank you.